Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to clear cache on PC and laptop. So guys, the first thing what you will do is simply go ahead and go to the start menu on the bottom left over here and go for the search bar and search for disk cleanup. You just simply run this application over here, and now select the drive you want to clean up. So from here, you will have a drop down when you click on it and select your drive and click on OK. Now from here, you will have this window. So you can just simply select everything over here, guys. And now you can just simply select clean up system files, click on OK. And now you should be able to clear the cache. And also just simply go ahead and select all of these over here. And now once it is done, guys, you could just simply go ahead and click on OK and click on delete files. And from there, you should be able to make your computer faster. And that's pretty much it. Just simply wait for some time as it automatically clean up your drive. There you go, see ya.